guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, like I said, I am going fidget shopping. So, I have the fidgets here. I have my fidgets. I'm going to show you all of my fidgets. There's a lot of them. I mean, a lot. And I'm also going to go fidget shopping at this place where everything's 5 reals. So, now let me get my bucket of fidgets. Where's the laundry? Oh my goodness. I have a big bucket of them. First thing I want to show you guys is this really nice thing. Goes happy, sad, sad, happy. It's really nice. So yeah, I have this. Now going on inside. So first I'm gonna show like my stress balls, I guess. So I have these two Orby ones. This one's kind of like a dough ball and has gold and blue glitters, and this one is like the same one as this, but this one's like kind of dough ball, and this one's like has green and blue glitters. So yeah, those two. And this one's like a lighter color. This one's darker, as you can see well. I have this giant orange one. This Nero. This video is always going to be sometimes 10 minutes, sometimes longer. We don't know. This Nero. Now I need to show you guys my last one I have. Let me just empty them up. The ones I'm done, I'm going to put it in here. So let's put it in. So I also have this gold one. All my spinners right now, I have a lot of them. So first spinner I have is this giant spinner. Wait. Then it spins. I don't know how you can see it. Okay. Because I can't really spin it in my hand because it's big. So that's done. Well, I still have more. I have this spinner. That looks so cool on camera. That. I have this spinner. I have the same one as it. Oh, now it's one broken. Anyway, but I have this. So those spinners are done. There's more spinners remaining. So yeah. I have this spinner. I can barely use with my hand. And the pops are literally great. Have this one. It spins like only down. Just look at it. Hope they're like, have this one really cool too. Has gray pops too. And has this really nice color, as you can see. So yeah. This is really nice. Is that all my spinners? No, it isn't. You guys must be like, okay, I have this black spinner that looks so cool. All my spinners are pops are so great. I don't know why. So I have that. Good. Did not break. Ugh. Yikes. I can't find my other spinner. Okay, here's one. Actually is. Why are half of all my spinners like don't spin? But fine. This is kind of a spinner, but they don't. This one doesn't spin. Sadly, but has good pops. I don't like when I smack stuff over there. It's sad. What? Do I have any more? I don't count my fidgets, guys. They must think I'm weird. I don't count my fidgets. Yes, I don't. Okay, I'm gonna go on the pop tubes. I have this. I love pop tubes. They're the best. And this mini one. The mini ones, like, they're so nice. The big ones are better because, like, they're louder. And they like the louder ones. Close it up. Now I'm gonna show you guys my ice cream poppets. So I have this ice cream poppet. Listen. This is the AKA bad side. This is the AKA good side. They're so good. This is too nice. I'll hold this other one too. Half of these I bought and half of these I traded for. This one I bought. Nah, that one I traded for, yeah. I traded for this banana squishy. It's just nice. I don't know why I have it, but it's just, I just like it. Put it back. Okay. Have this to scam people, of course. I'm gonna have to scam sometime. And I'll show my snappers. I have some snappers. I don't have like a lot, but I have some. Yeah, these are my snappers. You're like that type. So, I have 3 snappers. I have this snapper. Really nice and soft and nice. So, I have this nice soft snapper. I have this. This snapper. I have this glow-in-the-dark soft snapper too. I love these snappers. Should I show my Hot Poppets next? Yeah. Okay. I have this Heart Poppet for you guys. This is the AKA bad side. This is the AKA good side. Not AKA, this is actually the good side. Nice. also have this tie-dye one. Before I put it in the basket, I want you guys to listen to the bad side. It kind of has some pop to it. Now the other side. So I'm going to show you guys the last time. It looks like this yellow, white, and pink tie-dye poppet. Should I show another tie-dye poppet? Yeah, sure. This. They're actually both really good. Wait, what happened to it? Some of the color ran off to it because I didn't play with it. Mine is more like stay in the box, don't come out. But it's so nice. Blue side. And you're for a pink person. This is your side. Should I show my rainbows? Yeah, I'm going to show all my rainbows, but I already showed you that rainbow heart one. So there's this rainbow swirly one. So I'm going to show the giant rainbow ones last. Because like the giant ones are just, yeah. Like I have this one. It's really cute. I have this bear puppet. And it's kind of so that's the sound. This is like so ASMR. And it's kind of like gianter than the other ones. Do you have another rainbow one? I'm trying to show the rainbow one. Okay, I'm going to show my dimple digits. So I have this blue dimple digit. So I have this blue dimple digit. This red dimple digit. Show the other side. Also to show my, I have this, oh no, I forgot to show this spinner. So I forgot to show it, but there it is. Looks really pretty. Pops really good. Why those are small? So I also have this puppy foot. I'm trying to show small stickers. I have this. I think like almost everyone who knows fidgets has this. Like I think and that. I have the same one, but this one and this one's a little harder. So yeah, I like glittery. Look. I have a marble from a broken marble mesh. Thank you, So, should I show my mochis or not? Yeah, I'm going to show my mochis. I have a few. I don't have a lot. this pink mochi, this blue mochi, and I also have this mochi, and also here it's unicorn mochi. And I also have, this is I think my favorite mochi I have. It's so cute. It's this cute purple bear mochi. I think that's it. So, have all these mochi. I don't know if you can see well. So let's put it in the box. I have this. It's the stack thing. I don't know. So yeah, I bought it. It said it's the snack thing. It's really nice. I'm gonna show all my simple dimples. I have lots of them, and I mean lots. So I have there we go. For those two in, I have 4 of these. I have the same one of that. I really love showing my fidgets, and I have this one too. I don't know why, but the sick ones, I feel like they're good on both sides. I don't know. Just listen. That's this. I think it's my favorite Smalley Poppet. This one is good on both sides. I love this Poppet. Here, that's the bad side. And this is the good side. I could play with this Poppet like all day, Like, I don't know how I feel about this Poppet. It's nice, but like, wow, it's so good to be true. It's just so nice. I have these two. Do I have all of the puzzle pieces? Nah, my sister has one. I have this puzzle piece and this one. I think I'm going to try to connect it just to see if it actually connects to something. I need that one. One of these have to connect together. Has to be one. Just one. These are all not working. Anyway, so I have this small green puzzle piece. I have this yellow puzzle piece. I have this orange puzzle piece. There we go. The almost went on it. Okay. Should I show this or not? This is filled up with air. It has like, I don't know if you can see well, but this makes it light. You can see through the camera and everything, but I have that. Can I show my mini puppets or... Oh, I forgot to show this simple dimple.
Really? Then,
Huh?
can you close the AC?
Sure.
You can put
No, I don't feel anything.
You don't feel it?
There's this mini puppet. Pink mini puppet. I feel like everyone also has this mini puppet because like it's so easy to get. I mean, listen. I have 2 of these. And I don't know if any of you guys have it. So if you do, put a smiley face in the comments if you're like you can actually do it. You can, like, if you're able to go to the chats. Because some people are, some people are not. They have this mini puppet. Like, wow, just tell me. So, I'm going to show my only snake. Usually, I'd be like, okay, I got all these snakes tonight. I really want one. So I'm going to post another video today too. I'm going to go fidget shopping. So I have this snake. And let me show my monkey noodles. Have this thin monkey noodle, this giant green monkey noodle, and this giant orange monkey noodle. Is that it? Wait, I imagined I have like I had like 3 handfuls of these monkey noodles. I'll just put that in the jar.
You have what?
1,000 fidgets. And I want to show my big cheese. After my cheese, I'm going to show my infinity cubes. So I have one sec. So I have this black bike chain. And I also have this yellow bike chain. Wait, can I fix it? Wait. I've always been like to get it. Okay. So I have this bike chain. I have these 2 bike chains too. So that. I have that too. And I'm gonna show now only my mesh. It would like marble meshes are like so easy to find. I mean like but I don't have one. Did you know you could do this with the marble meshes? Did you know? Anyways. So I have this. Okay. Thank you. I'm gonna show my wacky tracks. I have this wacky track, purple and blue, light purple and light blue if you can see. So yeah, I also have this one. I made it into a snapper. This one's dark blue and purple. They're not the same. This is 23 minutes, guys. I'm going to show this really fast because some people don't have time to watch this all. So, I have this. And I have these infinity cubes. Wait, no. Yeah, I have these infinity cubes. No, my infinity cube. No. Wait, guys, the infinity cube just broke. Just now, and I'm doing the video. Bruh, are you serious? What? Stop. Let's put the other one back too. Guys, this is gonna be like, it's 20. So I have this infinity cube, this pink and blue infinity cube. I have this blue and pink. And I have this yellow and blue fidget here. Guys, if you're doing it like this, you're doing it all wrong. It should be in one hand like this. Sometimes it's hard to do it. Puzzle ball, black one. Normal, boring puppets. Two. Favorite puppets. Plastic puppet, and puppet. My favorite, pea poppers. Some people call them peas in the pod, so I respect that. Two pea poppers, one like that. So they're unique. Why is this in my pile? So I had this. I have this tangle. And I have this. I'm gonna edit her face out because she's bad. So I also have this other one. I have this puppet. Cat one. Oh, this is the snapper. This is my other snapper. It's really soft too. Well, I do have this heart puppet. Oh my gosh, guys, this is 27 minutes. I never made a video this long. That's why I'll have a lot of fidgets. And I forgot to show the smoochie. I have this mixed up Rubik's Cube. Wish I can fix it. Kinda. This giant puppet. There we go. This heart giant puppet. The heart giant puppet, I think. Yeah, I traded for this heart giant puppet. Why am I talking? I have to do this really quick. Okay, I have this giant puppet. I have this giant puppet. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I don't know. Just don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below which one was your favorite fidget. See you guys. Bye.